Supplies: 2 leather cutouts for the insole, 2 insole cutouts from chipboard, 2 outsole cutouts from black chipboard, 2 elasticated frilly top straps about 3 inches long, 2 heel cutouts from 2mm foam, Elmer's rubber cement, paintbrush, craft knife, or you could use a pair of sharp scissors, pen with a fine tip, and painter's tape. While I'm using pre-cut pieces for this DIY, I will include a template on my blog for anyone interested in cutting the pieces themselves. You will also need a craft cutting mat, or if you don't have one, then a kitchen cutting mat will do. To begin, place the insole leather with the right side face down on your workspace. Then take one of the chipboard insoles and center it on the leather. Trace the insole outline. Remove the insole and trace an outline about 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch outside of your insole outline. You will use this outline for your cut marks, and repeat on the other insole leather, making sure that you trace the mirror image. Next steps are all about gluing. Paint the inside of the insole outline with contact cement. Because we're using contact cement, we need to coat the 2 surfaces we are going to be joining together. So after you coat the leather, set it aside to cure. Then paint the insole, making sure to paint the mirror side to the leather. Then repeat with the other 2 pieces. Now with contact cement, you have to wait until the glue dries before you join the pieces together. As you can see in these 2 examples, the right one is still wet while the left one is dry. The left one looks more matte than shiny. Once it is ready, carefully line the insole over the leather, then let the 2 surfaces meet. Important! Once the 2 sides meet, it will be almost impossible to separate them, so please make sure you line it up as closely as you can before attaching.